What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you another cryptocurrency project that you gotta go ahead and check out because this is something that's really interesting, and it is the next generation Web3 platform that is combining AI-driven technology with staking features. So guys, this is just for informational and educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Assetara AI. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a next generation Web3 platform that is combining AI-driven trading technology, staking features, analytical tools, and the ASTRA token within a decentralized ecosystem that is built on the BNB blockchain. Now, designed for both the new and experienced users, this platform is actually featuring a clean interface that actually provides easy access to portfolio information and account activity, because as you guys all know, there are a lot of exchanges out there that bombard their their platform with a lot of features that aren't really necessary to a lot of traders, even with the most experienced traders. But for Assetara, guys, they are actually trying to make it as much as possible user friendly. That way the experienced as well as the newbies would be able to use it and use it with ease and not have a very long learning period to get used to their platforms. Assetara is highlighting automated AI trading that is supported by transparent Assetara highlights automated AI trading supported by transparent performance reporting, flexible participation options, and a multi-tiered referral structure. Now, guys, referral system is underrated for the most part, guys. I mean, for majority of the project has their referral system, but not a lot of users are utilizing them. Guys, this is something that you could actually make passive income, right? Once you refer your friends and all that, you would be able to get some commission out of that. So this is something that I would encourage you go ahead and check out as well. Now, the ecosystem also includes 5 participation plans with varying entry levels. So the starter plan ranges from $10 to $2,500 over 28 days with that daily allocation rate of 1%. Now, the Flux plan ranges from $3,500 to $10,000 over 56 days with a DAR of 1.2%. Now, actually, guys, you could go ahead and check out their website because there's a ton of information that will definitely be very helpful for you to get to know this project better. Now, at the bottom of their page, guys, okay, you will see their white paper. See presentation, you have the white paper, you have the investor memorandum. Let's go ahead and check out the white paper so you would have an idea on what I was actually basically talking about. So you have the market and competitors there. You have ASTRA utility functions. Token distribution is here. So like the tokenomics, 40% staking and rewards, 15% team and development, 15% listing and marketing. And then you have 20% early investors and sales, and 10% that is reserved and for the ecosystem. Okay. Now you also have the team right here. Okay, so you have Henrik Falklund, Richard Reagan. You have a lot of different people out there as well. Leona Gray as the CMO and marketing community. Guys, this is something that I also would strongly suggest you go ahead and check out because you also have the roadmap right here, right? You would know what they are doing right now, what they have done in the past, and what are the ones that they have in the pipeline that are still, on the works. And at least you would be able to know if there's something that's that's bound to happen in the future. So I have the disclaimer here as well. Okay. Now, guys, I would like to show you how it looks like once you are logged in to this Assetara as well. So additional tiers also, guys, just to add up to the ones that I was mentioning earlier, additional tiers include Pro at 1.5% over 70 days and the Astra at 1.75% over 98 days, as well as their Enterprise at 1.8% for over 128 days. Now, you could also go ahead and click on security out there. Okay, so security isn't an option. It is our foundation. Well, it's supposed to be, because again, you want to make sure that the one that you are joining, or you want that the one that you are investing is actually secured. That way you will not get robbed with your investments. All right. So guys, let me go ahead and show you this one right here. All right, so once you are logged in, guys, okay, so once you're logged into your account, this is actually the one that you will be able to see. So this is your dashboard. As you can see your deposited, withdrawn, invested, earned, accruals, as well as partners. All right, so you also have on the left side the wallet, the transactions, you have tokens, you have staking, betting, basically everything about your account is actually here. Okay, so if you click on wallet, this is what it will show up. Okay, so you have the balance, okay, Tether US, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, and all that. Okay, so you'll see that in there. And of course, transactions. So for all the transaction history that you have. And then this is for the token. So a lot more information about your token right here. Okay. All right, so here you would be able to see the amount of, so ASTRA, okay? Now you could buy the tokens right there. And as you can see, that is the market price of the ASTRA token. So if you can remember, guys, the one that I was mentioning earlier, this one right here, Starter, Flux Pro, you have ASTRA and Enterprise, all right? So you have the estimated profit there as well. So you could do like a forecast on your profitability. But of course, again, guys, make sure to always do your research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also make informed decisions with all of your investment. I hope you guys don't mind. I mean, let me just take away my video right here so you could focus on what you could see. So the amount, 350, you would see that there. Estimated profit is at 98. All right. So extending the period, it'll actually give you more profitability. But again, guys, okay, this is not financial advice. Make sure to always do your own research. This is purely for educational and informational purposes only. Okay, so this the one that they have right here is the estimated profit. Okay, estimated. It is not certain. It is not by any means something that you need to depend on. Okay, it's estimated profit. Okay, then you have accruals. You have all sorts of information that you could gather. Okay, 140 days. If you reduce it, so you have the blogs right here. So this is for the task, okay? You could earn some by participating on the tasks right here. So you could claim on all those. Okay, so here, this is the surveys. Now, this is the partners, guys. So as I mentioned, they also have the affiliate or the referrals. All right, so you could also take note of this one. And again, make sure to do your own research. That way you could see what is the potential of this one right here. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and check this one out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And guys, if this is your first, make sure to consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of the new uploads that I will be making in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.